Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the surround. Gloves, eye protection, and a dust mask. Once done, confirm the fire is fully cold and clear the grate so you can access the screen. Identify how the mesh is held. Small clips, screws, or a sliding track. This determines your next moves. Use a flashlight to inspect the top and bottom edges and feel for fasteners with your fingers. Now position a towel or drop cloth to catch debris before you touch any hardware. Next, take care removing whatever secures the screen. Unscrew small screws or depress spring clips using the correct screwdriver or a flat pry tool. If the screen is in a sliding channel, lift the top gently and pull the whole panel forward. Make sure you have a helper if it's wide or heavy. Work methodically one side at a time and always support the mesh to avoid warping. Keep removed hardware in a labeled container so reassembly later is painless and you won't drop parts into the fire. Finally, place the detached mesh on a padded surface to prevent scratches and inspect it. Clean any ash or soot with a soft brush and mild detergent if needed. Put all screws and clips in a sealed bag and tape it to the screen so nothing gets lost. If the screen refuses to budge, apply a small amount of penetrating oil, wait 10 to 15 minutes, or gently warm the metal to expand it slightly. Avoid open flame. If it still won't move, pause and call a professional to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.